Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a game-changing method that could revolutionize the way you tackle your to-do list. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks on your plate or struggled to prioritize effectively, you're in for a treat. We're talking about the ABCDE method, a simple yet powerful technique that can help you boost your productivity and achieve your goals like never before. Imagine starting your day with crystal clear focus, knowing exactly which tasks deserve your immediate attention and which ones can wait. Picture yourself effortlessly sailing through your to-do list, accomplishing more in less time, and feeling a sense of satisfaction as you tick off those high-priority items. That's the magic of the ABCDE method, and I'm excited to share it with you today. So what exactly is the ABCDE method? At its core, it's a prioritization technique that helps you categorize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. Each letter in ABCDE represents a different level of priority, allowing you to quickly identify which tasks should be tackled first and which can be pushed to the back burner. Let's break it down. Tasks are your top priorities, the ones that are both important and urgent. These are the tasks that, if left undone, could have serious consequences. Think of that report due tomorrow morning, or that crucial client meeting you can't afford to miss. When you spot an A task, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. B tasks come next. They're important, but not as urgent as A tasks. These are often tasks that contribute to your long-term goals or ongoing projects. For example, working on a presentation for next week's team meeting or starting research for an upcoming project proposal. While they don't need immediate attention, you'll want to schedule time for these tasks to ensure they don't become last-minute emergencies. C tasks are the nice-to-haves. They're tasks that would be good to complete but won't have major consequences if left undone. This might include reorganizing your desk or catching up on industry news. While these tasks can add value, they shouldn't take precedence over your A and B priorities. D tasks are the ones you can delegate. These are tasks that need to be done but don't necessarily require your personal attention. Maybe it's data entry work that an assistant could handle, or a routine maintenance task that could be outsourced. Learning to delegate effectively can free up your time for more important responsibilities. Finally, E tasks are the ones you can eliminate. These are the time wasters, the unnecessary meetings, or the tasks that no longer align with your goals. Be ruthless in identifying and cutting out these tasks. Your productivity will thank you. Now you might be wondering, this sounds great in theory, but how do I actually put it into practice? Great question. Let me walk you through a typical day using the ABCD method. Picture this. It's Monday morning, and you're staring at a long list of tasks for the week. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you take a deep breath and start categorizing. You spot an urgent client proposal that needs to be submitted by EOD. That's definitely an A task. You also see a reminder to start preparing for next month's team building event. Important, but not urgent, so it goes under B. Updating your LinkedIn profile? That's a C task. Compiling expense reports? You realize your assistant could handle that, so it becomes a D task. And that standing invitation to a weekly meeting that never seems productive? You decide it's time to eliminate it. Hello, E task. With your tasks categorized, you dive into your day with clarity and purpose. You tackle that client proposal first thing, knowing it's your top priority. As you progress through your A tasks, you feel a sense of accomplishment, knowing you're focusing on what truly matters. When you finish your A tasks, you move on to your B list, making steady progress on your important but less urgent responsibilities. By using the ABCDE method, you'll likely find that you're not only more productive, but also less stressed. You're no longer trying to juggle everything at once or wasting time on low-priority tasks. Instead, you're strategically allocating your time and energy where it counts most. Of course, like any productivity technique, the ABCDE method requires practice and consistency to truly reap its benefits. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of this method. Be honest with yourself when categorizing tasks. It can be tempting to label everything as urgent, but resist that urge. Really think about the true importance and urgency of each task. Review and update your categories regularly. Priorities can shift and new tasks can emerge. Take a few minutes each morning to reassess your ABCDE lists and make any necessary adjustments. Don't neglect your B and C tasks entirely. While A tasks should be your primary focus, make sure to allocate some time for your B and C tasks to prevent them from piling up or becoming urgent. Get comfortable with delegation and elimination. Many of us struggle to let go of tasks or say no to commitments, but learning to delegate effectively and eliminate unnecessary tasks is crucial for maximizing your productivity. Use the method flexibly. While the ABCDE categories provide a great framework, don't be afraid to adapt the method to suit your specific needs and work style. Remember, the goal of the ABC method isn't to make you a productivity robot, churning through tasks without pause. Instead, it's about helping you focus on what truly matters, both in your work and personal life. By prioritizing effectively, you're not just getting more done, you're getting the right things done. So why not give the ABCDE method a try? Start small by categorizing your tasks for tomorrow and see how it feels. You might be surprised at how much clearer and more focused your day becomes. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried the ABCDE method before? Do you have any other productivity techniques that work well for you? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more productivity tips and tricks. Remember to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay productive and keep crushing those tasks.